everybody, it's Sam at Mixed Up Craft. Thank you for watching my tutorial today. I've got a really fun project and that is paper jewellery. So this came about from the last tutorial I done when I just briefly spoke about the rings that I wear, and then it made me think, why don't I make some paper jewellery? And I have made, like, you know, the paper beads and things like that before in the past, and I have played around with rings and stuff, but I thought, why not do a tutorial? So these are wacky, these are bold, and these are not going to be everybody's cup of tea, but it's just a bit of fun. So this is what I've done. This is probably my favourite one at the moment, and this is just using loads of, I've just pulled all my die cuts out and just die cut them as if I would if I was putting them on a card or a gift box, but instead of that I've put them on a paper band. And I'll show you how to do that, and it's just so easy. I think these would be lovely at little craft fairs. Little girls can buy them, little boys can buy them. You can do boy ones as well. And they'd be good for parties and little goodie bags and stuff. So I think they're great. So that's that one. This is the butterfly. I love this butterfly. It's the hobby-based butterfly that I use. I think I've done it for that finger, yeah, which I use all the time. And actually it's probably better if I turn it around. Yeah, that's the better way. And I just die cut it 3 times. I've put some embellishments in the middle of it there, and I just think it's really fun. I love them, and I'm going to be wearing them in my tutorials. So that's that one. This was great. This is from the Stamping Up Oh So Eclectic range, and they've got this big diamond die, and I thought, that's just amazing. Imagine having a diamond that big on your finger. So I have, but mine's paper. So that's that one. These ones are just more flowers. I think that was for the middle. Yeah, as you can see there. Obviously they clash a bit with my nail polish. I've done a star. This one I've just mounted on, I've die cut it 3 times in black, then die cut in the pattern paper. So they're solid pieces. I mean, that's going to last me for a long, long time, just having them at home. And obviously it's coming into the summer now, so I can take them outside. I think I've done it that way around actually. There we go. Again, really fun. I've got a darker polish on, or a bit of a pinky polish. That'll look really quite cool. And then this one's really fun, and it kind of goes with the parrot ring that I've got. And this one I fussy cut from a piece of trim craft paper, and it's got this all over it. I've used it on the tall curved gift box that I've done as a decoration. And I've used it on something else as well, but I just fussy cut it. I've put it on 3 pieces of card to, again, it's solid. And then I've used the same pattern paper to make the little ring, and it's all really neat, nice and tidy. And again, I think I had him that way so he's facing me. He sits on that finger there. And look, and I can work with it normally. It doesn't, you know, irritate or kind of catch on my finger or anything like that. So if you've got really fun papers, if you've got any young children or adults, because I love them, you know, and they've got particular things that they like, then make some jewellery. You could also put that on a necklace. There's loads of things you can do with it, but it's just a bit of fun. So I'm going to show you how to do a flower one, because I just thought that was nice and probably the most kind of popular one that people will do. So I've just die cut, I'm going to add some leaves to this one. I've just die cut these ones here, and I've done red and green, so it's just a little bit different. So I'm just going to pop all this together and kind of make it up just as if I was you know, going to put this on a card, or like I said, a gift tag or anything like that really. I don't know if I use all 4, but I've just got this soft mat here which I've used on lots of things, and I've just got these. You get a pack of them. I can't remember where I got these ones from, but I'll share all the links again anyway, because I've used them lots of times. But anything with a big ball on the end like this, you just want to bring them to life. Distress them a bit if you want with your inks and stuff. And then I'm just going to use some of my tacky glue and just build this up. So just layering them on top of each other so they're just overlapping like so. Do I want the last one? Yeah, I'll pop the last one in as well. I'm going to put a little embellishment in the middle as well, so you can braid all your little gems. That look really nice. Do you know what that looks? I know it's not the flower of that kind, but it looks a little bit like a poppy. Okay, so just done a quick little flower there. So to do the actual band, I've been using a piece of 1 inch by 4 and then cutting it down. You can do 1 inch by 3, but it just doesn't give you as much room when you're kind of measuring it around your finger. So I've got that there. I've just got this little scoreboard here, and all I've done was score it at, use this one here, you just want to score it at 1/4 of an inch and at 3/4 of an inch. Okay, so just so you're giving yourself like so. I don't think this isn't the right scoreboard for what I'm doing, but I'm just going to go in a little bit more because I don't think that was exactly. But you want to score it 1/4 of an inch and 3/4 of an inch. I just couldn't be bothered to get my big scoreboard, and I found this in my drawer and thought it was quite handy. So just fold in the sides there. So you should then have 1/2 inch band, which I've now got, just like so. Okay, and then you've got your 2/4 inch sides inside like that. Then all you want to do is just pop some glue just down the inside there, and again along the inside like so. Fold them both over, and then just with my bone tool just go along, spread out all that glue so that all sticks down nice and securely. Okay. And as it's drying, just curl it around like so. I should keep one of these on really, shouldn't I? Let's pop that one back on, it's a bit more fun. Okay, and just like so. Okay, get rid of all, let's just pop that to one side, pop that, and then we can just put it together. So I need to take it off again now, because I think I'm going to put this one on this finger. So what I was doing is basically popping it underneath your finger like so, bring round one side, okay, and then this side here, and where it then overlaps, you want it to overlap by about 1/4 of an inch. So I've got 1/4 of an inch overlap there, and I'm just going to fold it kind of like so. So you can see what I've done, so it overlaps by about 1/4 of an inch, and then just fold it up. Now I can take that off and just cut like so. Okay, now I just want to grab my glue, and again just cover the glue 1/4 of an inch, and then bring that piece over the top and just hold that in place. Obviously you can put it back on your finger if you want to remeasure it, make sure it's going to fit. I'm just checking there and that fits, and I can take that on and off quite easily. Okay, now I'll do the embellishment at the end actually. So now I'm going to stick this down with wet glue, pop it on the join so it's all being hidden, and just hold that one in place. Okay, so that's now stuck down, so when I pop that on you can see that's coming together nicely. Then I'm going to add some little leaf effects on this one just to give it something different, but I cut out 4, but I think I'm just going to use those 2 little ones, just to give it a little something. So again I'll pop a little bit of glue and just tap it on the end there and pop that one in. Yeah, it definitely looks like a little poppy now with the little green like that. And then I'm going to pop another one. I'm going to do it coming out of the little leaf like so. There we go. And then I'm just going to grab a embellishment. Okay, I've got these here. I used these months and months and months ago, and they were actually little hair embellishments that I picked up from New Look, and as I said back then, I couldn't think of anything worse than putting them in your hair, but they were perfect for my paper crafting. So I'm going to pop that one in the middle like so. Just needs to dry a bit, but you can see there what I've just done. Really cute. Just pop that back over like so. Don't need those, and I think that is pretty much which way do I want to have it. Let's have it that way like so. And there you go, another fun pretty ring. So I love these. I think they are really fun. You're going to see me wearing them all, and yeah, it's me, it's my personality, and can I get them all on? There you go. I think they're fantastic. So I hope you like this really random, weird tutorial from me today. That one's coming off, it's popping on there. I've loved it. I've had a really lovely afternoon just making fun things. And yeah, if you do make any, share them on my social media. You know I love to see them. And I'll see you again. Ooh, keeps coming off. I'll see you again in a week. Bye.